Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial reading program. Today's Hindu editorial title is Plugging the Leak on GM Rice Controversy. Since June, the export about 500 tons of rice from India has triggered an uproar in several European countries on the grounds that it was genetically modified rice. This emerged during a check by the European Commission Rapid Alert System for Food and Feed that was testing rice flour by the French company Westhoff. In June, France had issued a notification for unauthorized GM rice flour, identifying India as the point of origin and alerting Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Poland, Spain, the UK, and the US as the possible destination of products made with the flour. So in August, the American food products company Mars, fearing GM contamination, announced that it was recalling 4 of its products lines of crispy M&M, M&M, GM-free rice that is tagged as organic rice is among India's high-value exports worth 63,000 crores annually. India does not permit the commercial cultivation of GM rice, but research groups are testing varieties of such rice in trial plots. So the suspicion is that rice from some of these test plots may have leaked into the exported product. The Indian government has declined or denied this possibility with the Commerce Ministry spokesperson alleging that the contamination may have happened in Europe to cut costs. However, India has indicated that it will commission an investigation involving its scientific bodies. India's history of crop modification using GM is one of test plants finding their way to commercial cultivars before they were formally cleared. Thus, BT cotton was widely prevalent in farmers' field before being cleared. Though they have not been cleared, BT brinjal and herbicide-tolerant cotton varieties too have been detected in farmer fields. Though the Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is the effects regulator of GM crops, it is mandated that trials of GM crops obtain permission from states. Because of the close connection between farmers and the state agriculture universities, which are continuously testing new varieties of crops, employing all kinds of scientific experiments, ranging from introducing transgenes to other non-transgenic modification methods, and the challenges of ensuring that trial plots are strictly segregated from farms. There is a possibility that seeds may transfer within plots because many Indian farmers are depend on European imports. The center must rush to assuage importers that India produce is complaint with the trade demands. The fractious history of GM crops in India means that passions often rule over the reason and question of the safety of GM crops. And so India must also move to ensure that research into all approaches, GM or non-GM, should not become a casualty in this matter of export quality complaints. Thank you for listening. Highlighted words are explained, their their meaning and pronunciation explained in the other video. If at all you wish to watch, you please watch. Thank you all for listening. If at all